XRP is at historical lows against its Bitcoin pair, all while there are so many bullish things happening for XRP in the market. We have maximum fear, not so much because the price of XRP has been going down, but because it has been drastically underperforming compared to other opportunities within the market. So people have an extreme fear of missing out on this bull run. But again, we're at historical lows for XRP against Bitcoin, and we have so many positive catalysts on the horizon that could come out at any moment that would indicate this could be the time where we finally see something switch and things turn around. So let's just look at the XRP BTC chart right here. So this is on the monthly time frame. Okay, we have this line down here, upward trending support line from back in 2017. And I tried to make it as precise as possible right here on the touch, right here, the touch in January 2021. And then we've almost gotten down to it now here in 2024. It would be, we'll look when we zoom in how much the drop's going to be. So from where we're at, we should expect to come back up at least to retest this box and this trend line. So if let's zoom in a little bit. We'll go into the daily. So if we were to come from where we're at and we were to go down and touch that historical support line, it would be about another 3% drop versus Bitcoin, 3 to 4%. So that means Bitcoin goes up another 3 to 4% and XRP doesn't do anything. We're right there, guys. We have been setting low after low. And on top of that, if we pull up the RSI, we've been putting in bullish divergence on the daily since back up here in February 14th. So the price has been coming down. Meanwhile, the RSI has been going up. So we have bullish divergence on the daily from February 14th. Okay. We're almost at a historical support trend line, as well as a historical support horizontal line. If I zoom out, right, we have a horizontal support right here. See, it was support, resistance, or I mean, support, resistance. Back here, interacted with a little less, but a little bit of support and resistance as well. So we have that horizontal line crossing with our upward sloping support line right here below where we're at, like 3 to 4% away from us, while we've been printing bullish divergence on the daily chart since February, okay, going basically straight down. So if we were to go from where we are now, just to retest this box, this area of support / resistance, and the downward sloping resistance line that we've had since 2018, 2017, I drew this pretty liberally. I could have drawn it, a little more conservative like this and say, oh, we've already broken out. Right? You could kind of draw it like this and say, oh, we've already broken out. We retested and then we've fallen back to retest it again. But we'll keep it, more of a conservative line here and say, okay, we haven't broken out. We had a fake out. We got rejected. So just to come up and test this line in this box is about 100% pump from where we're at against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin were to stay still, XRP would need to go up about 100% to get up here and retest this area. So that puts you at like $1.20 if Bitcoin stays still. Now, the macro bullish case is that, okay, maybe we already have broken out of this and we're retesting it and we're just waiting to get that breakout move, which the measured move of that would be back up towards above these highs. And percent terms, that would take us from where we are now, 3,300%, 3,400% for that measured move. That's a 34x. If we were to plot that on this chart, 3,400%. Again, this is if Bitcoin doesn't move at all. That takes you up to $21. $20. Now, I know this is kind of all moon math, right? But the charts don't lie, okay? XRP has been consolidating since 2018, doing nothing for like 7 years. So at some point, something's going to have to break, whether this goes up or down. And again, the way that I have my lines drawn on the USD pair, it says this could take all the way to December or January of next year to see a breakout. And with the way that this thing moves, I wouldn't be surprised if it does just move sideways for the next year. Okay? But I'm in it for the long run at this point. I don't really care what happens in the short term. We have great news that we got the other day about Ripple starting a stablecoin on the XRP ledger. On top of that, we have the lawsuit coming to an end, most likely within the next couple months, and that news could drop at any time that there's been a settlement and everything is wrapped up now. We have Bitcoin in the middle of a bull run, possibly waiting for our next leg up to truly break all-time highs and start running. There are just so many positive catalysts in the market, both technically and fundamentally, that it just doesn't make sense to be bearish at this time. And again, we're in max fear for XRP, and people are selling out of their positions that they've been holding for years. I feel like that's indicative of things could be about to turn around. So we'll look at a couple tweets really quick, basically just going over similar stuff to what I've just gone over. Oh, one more thing before we do, actually. If we pull up the RSI again on the BTC pair. Oh, I already had it up. Silly me. Okay, and we go to the monthly chart. The monthly RSI is at almost an all-time low level. So if we draw a horizontal ray right here, we are testing this historical level at around 38.45. And we're sitting on top of it right now, waiting for a bounce on the monthly. Okay, so here from Dark Defender, basically showing a similar chart, the XRP BTC pair on the 3-month time frame, just showing all the historical support that it's had at this level, and saying we'll definitely appreciate against Bitcoin soon. Enjoy your Sunday. Here from Crypto Bill Boo Woo, also just showing the chart, showing basically what I just showed as well, that we're at a historical low on the XRP BTC chart for the RSI, the indicator. And he's saying he's expecting a price or a spike, and for price to rise again up to kind of where I put about a 3,400% pump, a little over the old all-time highs that XRP made against BTC. Then finally from Moon Lambo, XRP BTC hit another low for this market cycle, yet XRP USD bottomed in June of 2022. Historically, Bitcoin has always rallied way before XRP in bull markets. Is this time different? In 2024, in this market cycle, do people really believe that just because Bitcoin has taken off in price against the dollar before XRP, that XRP is doomed? As it turns out, yes. There are some people who actually believe that. People with XRP derangement syndrome. I bookmarked their tweets in my future dunks bookmarks tab. Plant seeds and wait. So, some people are seeing it, man. And who knows, maybe we're all wrong and XRP just does go sideways into oblivion and does something like this for the next decade. That would suck, but I believe we're in the right place at the right time. I think it won't be too much longer now. I think our patience will pay off here. So that's all for the video, really. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. More content like this every day. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.